Welcome back to Ride Freedom Flyers. The 2027 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, like the thrill. Subscribe for more power. The year is 2027, and the legend of the Kawasaki Ninja H2R continues to evolve, pushing the boundaries of what a motorcycle can be. For years, the H2R has stood as a monument to engineering audacity, a supercharged beast that redefined a very with a concept of speed on two wheels. Now, with its latest iteration, Kawasaki has not merely updated a machine. They have refined a myth, a technological marvel that promises an even more visceral and unforgettable riding experience. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement, a declaration of dominance, designed for those who dare to command the absolute pinnacle of performance. From the moment your eyes land on the 2027 Ninja H2R, its design screams aggression and purpose. Every curve, every sharp angle, every aerodynamic winglet is meticulously sculpted not just for aesthetics, but for absolute functional superiority. The camouflage livery, a bold choice, hints at its raw, untamed power, suggesting a machine ready to blend seamlessly into the blurred landscape of extreme velocity. The signature front cowl, now even more angular and menacing, houses redesigned LED lighting that cuts through the air with surgical precision. The H2R silhouette is a masterclass in aerodynamic efficiency, a low-slung predator engineered to cheat the wind and glue itself to the asphalt at speeds that defy belief. The exposed trellis frame, a hallmark of the H2R lineage, remains a focal point, a visible spine of strength and engineering brilliance, highlighting the intricate dance of components beneath the sleek bodywork. This is a design that doesn't just turn heads, it commands respect, demanding acknowledgement of its unparalleled presence. But the H2R's true heart beats beneath its formidable exterior, the supercharged engine. For 2027, Kawasaki's engineers have somehow managed to extract even more intoxicating power and torque from this already legendary powertrain. The proprietary supercharger, meticulously refined, delivers an instantaneous surge of power, thrusting the rider forward with an intensity that is both exhilarating and almost overwhelming. This isn't just acceleration, it's a warp-speed translation to another dimension. The engine's symphony, a guttural roar mixed with the distinct whine of the supercharger, is music to the ears of any true enthusiast, a constant reminder of the beast you are about to unleash. Coupled with an even more sophisticated crick and an optimized gear ratio, every gear change is seamless, allowing for uninterrupted power delivery that propels the H2R into the stratosphere of speed with relentless urgency. The riding position, while undeniably aggressive, has been subtly refined for 2027 to offer a more connected and controlled experience, even at stratospheric speeds. The clip-on handlebars are perfectly angled, placing the rider in an attacking crouch, ready to carve through corners or blast down the straight. The rear-set foot pegs provide ample ground clearance and allow the rider to tuck in completely behind the redesigned windscreen, becoming one with the machine. This isn't a bike for casual cruisers. It demands commitment, focus, and a willingness to push both machine and self to their absolute limits. Yet, despite its extreme nature, the ergonomics are surprisingly intuitive, allowing the rider to feel completely in command of vital aspect when dealing with such immense power. Technological advancements in the 2027 H2R are nothing short of revolutionary. The updated IMU inertial measurement unit powers an even more precise suite of electronic rider aids, including enhanced traction control, cornering ABS and wheelie control, all designed to keep the immense power in check without dampening the thrill. The full-color TFT display, now more customizable and intuitive, provides critical telemetry at a glance, from lap times to lean angles. Advanced suspension, electronically adjustable and finely tuned, offers an unparalleled level of feedback and adaptability, allowing the rider to dial in the perfect setup for any track condition. This isn't just about raw power, it's about intelligently harnessing that power, making it accessible and manageable for experienced riders to truly exploit its full potential. Ultimately, the overall riding experience of the 2027 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a symphony of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating precision. It's a machine that demands respect, rewards skill, and delivers an adrenaline rush unlike anything else on two wheels. Every twist of the throttle is an invitation to push boundaries, every corner an opportunity to defy physics, and every straight a chance to taste the very essence of pure, unadulterated speed. This is more than a motorcycle. It's an extension of the rider's will, a conduit to an experience that transcends the ordinary and firmly plants you in the realm of the extraordinary. The 2027 H2R isn't just built to dominate the track, it's built to dominate the senses, leaving an indelible mark on anyone fortunate enough to experience its legendary prowess.